All right, people, we got this new Icon under hood light. It says there's a 77-inch extendable under hood rechargeable floodlight system up to 4,200 lumens. Includes one 2,100 lumen light, second light sold separately. So it only comes with one. Under hood bar extends from 32 to 77. There you can see it on the hood, under hood, and inside the car. Floodlights, lights, and swivels for focus lighting. So I haven't seen the extra light. I'm gonna see if they have it here in stock. This one is on sale right now for $59.99 to the Inside Track Club, and the regular price is $79.99. Up to 400 pounds, it's 37 inches, premium creeper. There you see it. Has little pockets right here for your sockets or whatever. Headrest. Nice little wheels. It has 6 wheels. And they also have this Daytona with a headrest. You can raise it, different positions. And this one is $69.99. This is up to 350 pounds, 39 and 5/8 inches. Heavy duty creeper with adjustable headrest. And then, you know, the Pittsburgh one. Here's the Daytona floor jacks. They're for $279, 3-ton Super Duty floor jacks. Come in different colors. This one is nice red right here. A yellow one, and there's a different red. This one's much like a brighter one. That one is more like a burgundy-ish. But there you have those. Here's the different ones, in case you're interested in floor jacks. This one's $239 for the low profile, long reach. And for the low profile regular one, it's $179, $159 for the members. This is what I came in to get, the folding side tray. I'm gonna try to add this onto the Husky tool cart, see if it fits. I've been waiting for it to be in stock. It had been out of stock for ever since I've been having my tool cart. So finally came in, and then there's only 2, so there'll be 1 left. These are the new snap ring pliers, internal straight snap ring pliers, 12 inches with a rubber handle. Compact creeper and detail seat. With little compartments for all your cleaning supplies. Looks like a little drawer in the middle for your rags. 4-inch swivel casters, $69.99. If you're looking for the Icon Gold Ratchet wrench, here it is, $69.99. Genuine 24 karat gold plated. 92 low profile 3/8 drive. And it's engraved right there. What are you supposed to do with this? Use it or just have it up on your toolbox? What would you do with this? Yeah, here you got the new Icon long reach pliers. Those are $24.99 for the straight ones or the 45 degree. And then they also got these 8-inch hose grip pliers, and those are $19.99. Here are the Icon multi-slip joint pair nose pliers, the 10-inch for $24.99. I actually came in, I was trying to look for those other ones, the other new ones that look like the Nitpicks, but they didn't have them in stock. If anybody has those, go ahead and put down on the comments how you like them so far. And if you happen to have the Nitpicks as well, how do they compare to them? Because I'm planning on getting them, but if I could get more information on it, it'll be appreciated for not only myself, but for anybody else who watches the video. And then here you have all these Doyle ones, all kind of different sizes and prices that vary from, like, I think they go all the way up to 20 inches. I'm not sure if that's the biggest one, but that's the biggest one that I seen here today. So yeah, if anybody has those new ones, please put down any information that you can. Thank you. Here's all your organization for your toolbox. You got the plier racks, the wrench holders, socket holders, screwdriver holders. Socket trays, all three sizes. Got this new stubby wrench organizer. Almost $10. Magnetic wrench rack, $24.99. It's a little steep for just one. This one's a two-piece wrench organizer, $16.99. Here you got the socket trays, the peg types. You got SAE or metric. They got blue now, green, red, whatever color to match your box. They're on sale right now for $19.99, down from $24. It says they're available in blue, green, SAE, and metric, and black, and red. And with that being said, people, if you like talking about tools, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.